Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open the fold. Now fold two triangle shapes from the top of the paper. Press well. Again, fold the edges to the middle crease and press it. Repeat the previous step from the other side again and press it well. Now fold the tip towards the bottom and press it. Now again fold towards the middle crease and press it. Now from the other side, repeat the step and press well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glass of more origami tutorials like this. Now pull it upwards to form the tip of the plane. Turn it and again fold it as shown in the video. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Fold it again into two halves and press it well. Now fold the wings. From one side and then the other. Press it well. Form the shape and it's done. Take care of yourself. Till the next video. Bye bye.